Hi everyone, Danny from GDL Automotive Services. Just a short reminder here letting you know that this month we're giving away free aircon treatment. Given that you've all been running your aircon all of summer and the bushfire season that we had, I can guarantee your air conditioning ducts in your dash are full of all sorts of rubbish. We're giving away a treatment with all our services this month that clears out all that ducting, gets rid of nasty smells, bacteria and general bushfire paraphernalia caught inside your dash. So give us a call at either of our stores to get your service booked in, to get your free aircon treatment in March. Thanks, that's Danny from GDL Automotive.